Hi, welcome to this week's video blog at MonsterMortgage.ca. My name is Christian Harris. Today we're going to briefly discuss CMHC. More importantly, Flaherty's announcement recently that they will now report into OSFI, who's Ontario's Superintendent of Financial Institutions. And there's been a lot of talk about this in the news, and possibly will he disband CMHC down the road. CMHC was started over 50 years ago to help Canadians get into the housing market, and it was definitely needed. Now the talk is, does the government need this to do this anymore? A lot of banks have taken advantage of this in the past couple of years by having mortgages that were insured help them sell off these mortgages. So the bottom line is Flaherty's now wondering if he needs CMHC to help people. There is still other insurance companies out there, Central Guarantee, Genworth. It would be one of the more popular ones out there. And now Flaherty's wondering if it's the role of the government to continue this in helping Canadians get high ratio mortgages. So what does that mean to the average consumer out there? Well, we're not sure. We can expect lending criteria, especially high ratio mortgages, to tighten up. CMHC has done a very good job. Canadians have been very diligent with their money. As much as there's a lot of talk in the news about household debts, the reality is arrears are less than 1% in Canada. The last stats we had from CMHC showed that 1 out of 4 Canadians who are high ratio are now very close to conventional financing, which means they have at least 20% equity in their home. So the future is unknown. CMHC has done very well. They've made over $14 billion for Canadians, which in the end of the day has saved us taxpayers money, because they have raised that money with the premiums. So we don't know what the future holds. I don't think it's any reason to panic. We still have CMHC, Genworth, and Central Guarantee insuring mortgages, but we do suspect that the future of mortgage financing will get tougher, and Flaherty has changed the mortgage rules and tightened up lending in Canada 3 times in the last 4 years. So we expect that to continue, and so it still goes back to prudent lending, and the banks are very good at this. They're very conservative by nature. Clients with good income and good credit will always find financing for a home. So what does that mean moving down the road for clients, though? Someone looking to buy a house, we've been saying this for years, and we'll continue to say it. Make sure you're working with a mortgage professional. As mortgage rules tighten up, whether it's CMHC or the lenders, it's very important that you're speaking to a professional who knows the industry, knows the market, and especially in today's Greater Toronto market, when you're trying to buy a home, you need to be pre-approved ahead of time. So it's very important to be working with a professional. If you have any questions with respect to CMHC, insurance, mortgage rules changes, anything, please don't hesitate to contact our office. Thank you very much.